Welcome back to Karog 765, the channel where we explore the most legendary classic rides, luxury campers, and road trip machines from around the world. If you love unique vehicles, vintage icons, and modern adventure vans, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today we are looking at the incredible 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van, a luxury adventure van that has completely changed the camper van world in the United States and beyond. This is not just a simple van. It is a rolling home, a luxury hotel on wheels, and a dream vehicle for travelers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van stands out immediately because of its modern design. The front end carries the signature Mercedes-Benz styling with a bold grille, sleek headlights, and a professional look that feels both luxurious and rugged at the same time. Whether parked in the mountains, beside a beach, or cruising through city streets, this van attracts attention everywhere it goes. One of the biggest reasons why the Sprinter Camper van became so popular in America is its versatility. Different companies build custom camper conversions using the Sprinter platform, and each one can look completely different inside. Some are focused on luxury, while others are designed for off-road adventure. But no matter the setup, the foundation remains solid because Mercedes-Benz engineered this van for long-distance travel and reliability. Under the hood, the 2023 Sprinter usually comes with a powerful turbocharged diesel engine or gasoline option depending on the market. The diesel version is especially loved by travelers because of its strong torque and fuel efficiency. Even though this is a large camper van, it feels surprisingly smooth on the highway. The steering feels controlled, the suspension handles bumps well, and the driving experience is much more refined than older camper vans from the past. Another major highlight is the available all-wheel drive system. This feature makes the Sprinter Camper perfect for people who want to explore snowy roads, deserts, forests, and remote camping areas. Adventure travelers in the United States often use these vans for cross-country road trips because they can handle different environments while still offering luxury comfort inside. Now let's talk about the interior because this is where the magic truly happens. Step inside the 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van and you instantly notice how modern and premium everything feels. Many conversions include soft lighting, wood finishes, comfortable seating, and smart storage solutions. Some layouts include a full kitchen with a sink, refrigerator, microwave, and even a small stove for cooking meals on the road. The sleeping area is another impressive feature. Depending on the camper conversion, you may find a large queen-size bed, foldable beds, or even rooftop sleeping options. The comfort level is far beyond what many people expect from a van. Some luxury builds even include memory foam mattresses, entertainment systems, and climate control to make long trips more relaxing. One thing that makes the Sprinter Camper van special is how intelligently the space is used. Even though it is technically a van, designers maximize every inch of the interior. Cabinets, hidden compartments, foldable tables, and compact bathrooms help create a complete living experience without feeling overly cramped. Technology is another area where the 2023 Sprinter shines. The dashboard features Mercedes-Benz's advanced infotainment system with a modern touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, voice control, and driver assistance systems. Features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and collision warning help make driving safer and less stressful, especially on long journeys. For digital nomads and travel creators, the Sprinter Camper van has become extremely popular. Many YouTubers, photographers, and influencers use these vans as mobile offices and travel homes. With solar panels, battery systems, and internet setups, some people live full-time inside these vehicles while traveling across the country. The exterior customization options are also endless. Some owners add roof racks, ladders, off-road tires, LED light bars, bike carriers, and outdoor awnings. These upgrades transform the van into the ultimate adventure machine ready for camping, hiking, fishing, or mountain exploration. In the American camper market, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van competes with vehicles like the Ford Transit Camper and Ram ProMaster Camper, but many enthusiasts believe the Sprinter offers the most premium experience overall. Its reputation for luxury, comfort, and advanced engineering gives it a strong advantage among serious travelers. Of course, luxury comes at a price. A fully converted Sprinter camper van can cost a significant amount depending on the builder and custom features. However, many owners believe it is worth every dollar because this vehicle combines transportation, accommodation, and adventure into one package. What makes this van truly exciting is the freedom it represents. Imagine waking up beside a lake, making coffee in your mobile kitchen, and driving toward your next destination without needing hotels or strict travel schedules. That lifestyle is exactly why camper vans like the Sprinter have exploded in popularity over the last few years. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of modern exploration and independence. Whether you are planning weekend camping trips, cross-country adventures, or full-time van life, this camper delivers luxury, practicality, and unforgettable experiences all in one stylish package. Thanks for watching today's video here on at Carog 765. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about your dream road trip destination, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible classic cars, luxury campers, and iconic vehicles from around the world. Until next time, keep your engines running and your adventures alive.